Get ready for True or False quiz, Bible Boss edition, let's go. True or false, Jesus turned water into milk at a wedding? The correct answer is false. True or false, the 10 Commandments were given to Moses on Mount Sinai? The correct answer is true. True or false, David used a sword to defeat Goliath? The correct answer is false. True or false, Noah built an ark to survive a great flood? The correct answer is true. True or false, the Bible has 99 books? The correct answer is false. True or false, Esther was a queen who saved her people? The correct answer is true. True or false, the Tower of Babel was built to reach the moon? The correct answer is false. True or false, Jesus was baptized in the Jordan River? The correct answer is true. True or false, Paul was one of the original 12 disciples? The correct answer is false. True or false, Jonah was swallowed by a great fish? The correct answer is true. True or false, there were 3 wise men mentioned by name in the Bible? The correct answer is false. True or false, Eve was created from Adam's rib? The correct answer is true. True or false, Moses was raised in an Egyptian palace? The correct answer is true. True or false, Jesus wrote the book of Psalms? The correct answer is false. True or false, the Israelites crossed the Red Sea on dry ground? The correct answer is true. True or false, Abraham had a daughter named Sarah? The correct answer is false. True or false, Jesus performed miracles like healing the blind? The correct answer is true. True or false, Samson lost his strength after his beard was shaved? The correct answer is false. True or false, God created the world in 10 days? The correct answer is false. True or false, Ruth was King David's great-grandmother? The correct answer is true. True or false, the book of Genesis is the last book in the Bible? The correct answer is false. True or false, Jesus fed 5,000 people with 5 loaves and 2 fish? The correct answer is true. True or false, Elijah was taken to heaven in a chariot of fire? The correct answer is true. True or false, Peter walked on water? The correct answer is true. True or false, the prodigal son was swallowed by a whale? The correct answer is false. True or false, Mary Magdalene was the first to see Jesus after his resurrection? The correct answer is true. True or false, Jesus was born in Jerusalem? The correct answer is false. True or false, Cain killed Abel out of jealousy? The correct answer is true. True or false, the Bible was originally written in English? The correct answer is false. True or false, God promised never to flood the whole earth again? The correct answer is true.